Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed about formal communication. Now we will discuss informal communication. Okay. First, communication. What do you mean by communication? Communication means it is a process of exchanging the information one person to the other person is called as a communication. Communication means what it is? It is exchanging the information one person to the another person is called as a communication. And then there are two types is there: formal communication and informal communication. And then already I explained formal communication. Now it is informal communication. Informal communication, it is a communication which is take place without following the formal line of the communication. Without following formal line of the communication is called as a informal communication. Informal communication means what it is? Without following the formal line of the communication. Informal communication means what it is? It takes place without following formal line of communication is called as a informal communication. There is no here set of rules, guidelines and plan. They are simply talking here. It is only example. It is they are simply talking. Who is will means the workers. The workers they will talk. Example it is rumors. Rumors, gossips, and here it is. They are explaining about the other persons. Rumors, gossips. Means here it is the information will flow with the workers only. Okay, with information will flow with the worker to the worker, employee to the employee. Here it is informal communication. Informal communication means this takes place without following the formal line of the communication. Here it is there is no need in organization for employees, but they will do here. Means example it is someone get promotions, means he is getting promotion, he is getting more salary, they are not getting salary. Why they are doing like that? And then the rumors will create here. And even they are explaining about behavior of the manager, behavior of the supervisor. They will explain. And in where means the workers, always the workers chit chatting in the canteen. What is chit chat means? Here it is they are explaining about behavior of the supervisor and if they will get any transfer, if the other employees will get promotion, they are getting promotion, they are getting transfer, like that. They people simply they will talk. That is informal communication. Informal communication means without following the formal line of the communication. Here it is. Even informal communication, maybe the manager will use positive way also. Already I explained how they will use positive way in the organization. Okay. Now we will see what are the types of the informal communication or types of the grapevine network. Okay. Both are same. Why they will call grapevine means it is informal communication. It should be spread throughout the organization. That's why we are going to call here it is grapevine network. Grapevine network. Why we are going to call means here it is the informal communication. It will spread the throughout the organization. That's why we are telling this is the grapevine network. Okay. And types of grapevine network. Maybe they will ask the homeworks. It is very important types of grapevine network. There are 4 types is there. First one it is single stand network chain. Single stand network chain. And second one it is gossip network. Gossip network. And third one is probability. Probability network. And fourth one it is last one it is cluster. Cluster network. There are 4 types of the networks. Here it is single stand network chain, gossip network, probability network, cluster network. In examination they may be asked for 4 marks. Okay, make a note of this. Single stand network chain. Single stand network chain means it is each person communicate to other sequences. Each person communicate with other sequences is called as a single stand network chain. Means here it is. Single stand network chain. Single stand network chain means here it is each person communicate with other sequences. Okay, each person communicate other in sequences. Each person communicate other in sequences. Means communicate to the others. Means it is here it is the each person communicate the and here each person communicate to the other sequences. Here each person they can communicate with the other sequences. Example I will tell here. See, it is single stand network channel. Okay, this is single stand network channel. See, here it is single stand network chain. Someone will tell to A. M is promoted. M is a person. M is promoted. Or M is example I am telling. M is promoted. Someone will tell to the A, and A will tell to the B. B will tell to the C, and C goes to the someone person. Someone person they will like that the information will flow in single line only. Only the person will tell to the B. B will tell to A will tell to the B. B will tell to the C. C will tell to the someone. What the information will say means it is M is promoted. M got promotion. That information will share in single line network, single stand network. They will information will flow like this only. Like this the information will flow. Here it is the A will tell to the B. B will tell to the C. C will tell to the someone. A goes to B. B goes to C. C goes to someone. Like that the information will flow someone to up to other person. It is spreading. Already I told informal communication means spreading throughout the organization. Like that only the information will flow here. Okay. Single stand network means it is single. In single line the information will flow like this only. Means A will tell to the B. B will tell to the C. C will tell to the someone. Like that the information will flow. It is the each person communicate to the other sequences. In other sequences they will sharing the information here. Okay. And next it is gossip network. Next it is gossip network. Gossip network means it is the each person communicate, okay, with all non-selective basis. With all non-selective basis is called as a gossip network. Gossip network means each person communicate with all non-selective basis. They are communicating here. It is non-selective basis. Here it is gossip network means each person communicate with all non-selective basis. How they will communicate? I will explain here. See here it is A will communicate with the B. Okay, and A will communicate with the C also, and here D and A will communicate with D also, and A will communicate with the B also. He can communicate with the all the person. Here there is no selective basis. Here it is non-selective basis. A can communicate with the all the person. A can communicate with the communicates with B, C, D, E also. They can communicate. Informal communication they will not communicate. They will not give chance. They will not give freedom to communicate with the all the other persons. Only they have to communicate with the subordinates. Only they will communicate with the superior to the subordinate to the superior. But here not like that. They can communicate. They can communicate with the B, C, D, E, and B. A can communicate with the C, D, E, B. C can communicate B, A, D, C. They can communicate wherever they want, and they can communicate here. Here there is no selective basis. Here it is non-selective basis. They communicate, and wherever they want they can go and they can communicate. And if they C want to communicate with the D means they can communicate, and the D want to communicate with the A means they can communicate, and E want to communicate with the B means they can communicate here. There is no restrictions here. They will give it freely. They can give the independence to communicate with the all the person. Here there is no non-selective basis. Here it is always it is non-selective basis only. Here it is there is no selective basis here. Okay. And next it is probability network. Probability network means it is the individual person randomly communicate with the other individuals. Probability network means it is probability means it is randomly. Okay. The probability network. Probability network means it is individual communicate randomly. Communicate here it is randomly with others. The individual person. Okay, the individual person communicates. The individual person communicate randomly with others. With other individual also. Okay, with other individual also. Otherwise, others is enough, I think. Okay, probability network means it is an individual person communicate communicate with the other peoples. How we will see now here. A can communicate with the B, but here see here it is. A can communicate with the B and A will share the information to the B, but here B will not share to the C here. Here A only selected the B only, and here it is only selected F only. He will communicate with the only F and D. He will not communicate with the E. They are randomly choosing. They will telling the information. They will randomly share the information here. Here there is no selective basis here. There is no non-selective basis here. It is randomly they are telling what information they have. They are randomly sharing the information. Means A will only share to the D and he will not share to the E. Means they are randomly choosing here. Means he will share to the B. After that he will leave E. After that he will share to the D. Like that the information will flow here. It is probability network. Probability network means it is an individual person communicate randomly with other individuals. It is called as a probability network, and last one is cluster network. Next one it is cluster network means cluster network. It is a network. The communication, the individual person communicates with only those people whom the trust. The individual person whom is going to trust. Example it is best friends. Everyone they are trust only best friends. Yes or no? Yes, they will trust the best friends. Even they will trust best persons also. And only they will example I am telling, they will trust best friends and family, they will trust. And if we will come in the field of organization means they will trust only best friends only, and they will share the information to the best friends without announcing the formal organization. Example, the manager will not announce to all the employees. After 1 month, he have to announce that information. But before that, he will share the information to the best friends. They will share the best friends. Why means they will share? Why the manager will share to the best friends means here means they will trust. The manager will test. He will not tell to the anybody. He will not share to the anybody. Yes, he will not share. He will not share to the anybody here. He will only listen and he will not share. That's why I will share the information. Like that, they will think and they will share the information. What information they will not share means the manager will share. Here it is confidential information they will share to the employees, and that employees should the manager will trust. If the manager will trust means they will share the information. Otherwise they will not share here. Okay. Cluster network. Cluster network means it is the person, the individual, person communicates with only those peoples, whom the trust, whom he is going to trust, and he will talk and he will communicate with persons. he will not share to the G. He will not share to the H. He will only share the information B and D. Why? The A trusts the B only. He will trust the B. Manager. Example, it is manager. The manager will only trust B and D employees. He will not trust C, E, G, M. He will not trust. Only he will trust B and D only. That's why they will share the information to the B and D. What's the information? Is the confidential information they will share to the B and D. Why means the confidential information they share to the B and D means here means he trusted. That's why they will share the information here. Okay. Example. Next month changing something new technology. Example, I am telling the manager. Next month it is changing the technology. Next month, that information they have to send before 3 days. They have to inform the employees. But before 15 days, they will share the information to the B and D. Why? He is trusted. The manager will trust only B and D. That's why they will share the information to the B and D here. Okay. And this is the cluster network. Cluster network means the individual person communicate with only those people whom is going to trust. Means A will only trust B and D. That's why they will share the information to the B and D. He will not trust C, E, G, F. That's why he will not share the information here. Means the why they will not share means it is very confidential information. That's why they will share only with the trustee. Only with the trust employees. Okay, this is the cluster network. Probability network means here it is randomly they will share the information. Gossip network means it is non-selective basis. It is non-selective basis. Here it is other sequences. This is the keywords. That's why we write. If you know keywords means you can fill the sentence. That's why we write here. Means single strand network means it should be communicate with the other sequences. Gossip networks means here it should be communicate with the others non-selective basis. Here it is probability network means the individual person communicate with the randomly other persons. Here it is the cluster network means they will share the information with only whom he is going to trust. Is called as a. These are all the types of the gossip network. Single strand network, gossip network, probability network and cluster network. Okay, these are all the 4 types of the grapevine network. And communication, these are all the formal and informal communication, and these are the types of the gossip network. Okay. And next we will discuss about barriers of communication. Barriers of communication, it is very important. Okay. Barriers of communication. Okay. Barriers of communication means generally we observe in the organization the manager facing several problems due to the communication. They don't know how to communicate with the employees. That's why they will facing the several problems. Means it is misunderstanding of the employees. Means he will telling something means they will understand something. The manager telling something, but the employees will telling something. Example, I will tell the manager will tell to the secretary. The manager tell to the secretary here, tomorrow it is meeting is there and get ready for that, and you have to come with the formals. Like that the information will tell to the secretary. But secretary will understand tomorrow is their meeting, I have to come with the formals. No need to prepare a seminar. Means compulsory if it is their meeting means we have to prepare for meeting. In every organization they have to prepare for the meeting. Means they have to prepare and they have to talk. But here the secretary will think like that. That is a miscommunication, misunderstanding between the manager and secretary. Like that. Okay. What are the barriers? Means it is inadequate vocabulary. Okay. And wrong words. What are the barriers? Means here it is wrong words. Okay. And faculty translation. Faculty translation and symbols with different meaning. Symbols with different meaning. These are all the barriers is there, and we have more. Okay, I am telling a few only. Okay, wrong words means it is when they are typing in the computer, that time maybe arises the mistakes. They will not cross check. If they will cross check means that should be, they will check and they will write correctly. If they will not cross check means that words should be wrong words only. The manager will tell something, the employees will understand something that time. Means faculty translation. Faculty translation means here it is the manager only know English. But example we will take in our state Karnataka. Yes, our state is Karnataka, and in our state they know Kannada. Yes, in Kannada, and the manager will know English. The employees will know only Kannada. That time the information they have to translate the English to Kannada. That when they are translating, that time maybe arises the mistakes. If it is arises the mistakes means that is also barrier of the communication for manager. Okay, and symbols with the different meaning. They are conveying something. They are understanding something. Okay, they are conveying something, they are understanding the something. Here it is, this is the barriers of the communication. And this is the barriers of the communication. And what are the barriers? I will write. Now, first it is cinematic barrier. Cinematic barriers. And second one is personal barrier. Third one it is organizational. Organizational barriers, and last one it is psychological barrier. Psychological barrier. Psychological barrier. This is the barriers of the communication: cinematic barrier, personal barrier, and organizational barrier, and psychological barrier. There are the four types of the barriers is there, and we will see one by one here. Cinematic barrier. After that we will see personal, organizational, and psychological. First it is cinematic barrier. We will see cinematic barrier. Cinematic barrier is a barrier which is concerned with the problems and abstractions. Problems and abstraction in the process of coding and decoding. Okay, coding and decoding of message in the Cinematic barrier is concerned with problems and obstructions in the process of decoding and encoding, or encoding and decoding. In the process of encoding and encoding and decoding the message in words are expressions or impressions. Expressions are impressions. See, it is cinematic barrier. It is a concern with the problems and obstructions. What are the problems? Means in the process of encoding and decoding. Encoding and decoding. Encoding means what it is? Encoding means it is a process of normal message converted into the communication symbols. It is called as a encoding. Encoding means what it is? Normal message converted into the communication symbols. It is called as a encoding. In the process of, when the problem arises means encoding and decoding process. Problems and obstruction when it is arises means when the person is coding and decoding. Encoding means it is a process of converting to the normal messages to the communication symbols. Here it is decoding means it is a process of converting the communication symbol to the normal messages. It is called as a decoding the messages in the words and expressions. Okay? And when problem arises means if it is encoding, the sender will send the messages with symbols. But when the person, when the receiver will not decoding properly, if we will not decode properly, that time the message will convey the wrong way. Yes or no? Yes. The message already sender. The receiver will not we are not decoding. That's why that time will problems and obstructions will arises. What problems arises? We will see. What's the problems arises? Now we will see. First it is badly expressed the message and badly express the messages, and here it is faculty translation and some different meaning, and fourth one it is technical jargon, and fifth one it is body language and gesture coding. gesture coding, and it is different assumptions. Different assumptions. This is the cinematic barriers types. This is the cinematic barriers types. What are the problem arises means cinematic barriers means if the receiver, if they will not receive properly here, these problems may be arises. Okay. First we will see badly express the messages, fragmented translation, symbols with a different meaning, technical jargon, body language and gesture coding, different assumption. See here, badly expression the messages. Okay. The manager will convey the and badly expressing the message, faculty translation, symbols with a different meaning, and technical jargon, and badly language, gesture coding. These are all the types of the cinematic barriers. Okay. And next class I will explain. These are all the what are the types of the cinematic barriers, and personal barriers, and organizational barriers, and psychological barriers. Next class I will explain. Okay. Thank you.